Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Asma Sattar, Head of Physical Therapy Department, KIMS International Institute, Multan. Doctor of Physical Therapy is a 5-year degree program having 10 semesters. Our Doctor of Physical Therapy Department is dedicated to providing students high-quality education, enables the students to build their own clinic providing clinical services in order to improve the lives of their patients and clients in the ever-changing medical landscape. We equip students with high-quality education and evidence-based practical knowledge. A cornerstone of our department is our highly qualified faculty. Doctor of Physical Therapy Department provide opportunities in the field of academic as well as in the field of research. Let's talk about its curriculum. As I told you, Doctor of Physical Therapy is a 5-year degree program having 10 semesters. From 1st to 4th semester, we teach students basic subjects such as anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, biomechanics. And from 5th to 10th semester, we teach practical utilization of basic subjects and specialized subjects such as speech physical therapy, neurophysical therapy, cardiopulmonary physical therapy, geriatric physical therapy, and supervised clinical practice. We have our own KIMS Physical Therapy and Rehabilitation Center, which helps the students to make evidence-based assessment, diagnosis, and treatment. Actually, we add years to life.
If I talk about my department, according to the academical point of view, this is a department that is dedicated for educating and training the new generation of the physical therapy. Department of the Physical Therapy at KIMS International Institute, where academic excellence, innovative research, and clinical expertise comes together to shape the future of the physical therapy students. Our faculty and staff are renowned for their expertise and the experience.
हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में रिहेबिलिटेशन KPRC है, जिसमें 20 किस्म की मेथड्स मिलते हैं, जिसमें थेरेप्यूटिक अल्ट्रासाउंड, TENS, EMS और हीटिंग पैड जैसी जदीद मशीनें मिलती है, जिसके जो कि मरीजों के इलाज के लिए बहुत मुफीद है।
Tell you about physical therapy. Physical therapy is a healthcare profession that helps to achieve optimal physical function and mobility. We use variety of techniques to improve joint mobility, strength, balance, and coordination. We also educate patients on proper body mechanics, exercise, and injury prevention.
Let's talk about our institute. KIMS International Institute is the best when it comes for the professional degrees of our allied health sciences, including Doctor of Physical Therapy. If you want to become a doctor or physical therapist, you can apply in our institute for an optimal learning experience.
Our services include physical therapy, occupational therapy, sports therapy, and moreover, osteoporosis, CP child, chest physiotherapy, sciatica, and frozen shoulder are treated.
I had visited many institutes, but I chose to take admission here at KIMS because of quality education provided due to KPRC. The main benefits of KPRC is that it is inter-department clinic. Students can get hands-on practice and experience without switching any clinical or hospital outside. KPRC also provides internship opportunities to the department. Our well-trained faculty and personalized approach empower individuals to overcome challenges, recover from injuries, and reach their full potential.